Well, hi there, Builder Blog. Captain Zach Sparrow here, and I am having an unusually quiet Saturday, and so I'm building something. This is a little model kit that was sent to me by a fan, and you'll never guess why. But yeah, there's the box, mostly in Chinese, and we are building a mechanical scorpion. And I have to say, like, the pictures did not do this thing justice. I feel like this is what Battlebots would want Skorpios to look like if I had unlimited budget. And I should point out, to get to this part where you're seeing legs and claws and the body. Oh man, the body. I've been at this for about 6 hours. 6 hours. But oh, it's gorgeous. Everything's metal. Normally in Transformer toys, I'm like, man, is that die casting? Ooh, beautiful. But this entire thing is die casting. So I'm having quite a bit of fun. Let's join me as I finish up the tail and start putting this thing together. B3 and B8. And then we open up hardware bag number 7. So this has been a very time-intensive process, but I have to admit the final robot is glorious. Glorious. Put that in the garbage bag now. And I am taking the time to Loctite this, because if you guys remember back in season 4, we used to have Commander Snips. Commander Snips was this another kit from this company I actually purchased, and he was our unofficial mascot. And I think we even pushed a button with him once. I don't know if they aired it, but the problem Commander Snips had was I assembled it, but I didn't Loctite anything, and he started falling apart with all the wear and tear and photo shoots. And so eventually he kind of got put aside before he fell apart more. But I'm kind of hoping we could do a new Commander Snips with this guy. And I'm just going to make sure I Loctite everything as I put it together. All right, so I'm putting the last piece on the tail here, and that's a pretty epic tail. I wanted to show you guys how to do proper Loctite. So this is actually green penetrating Loctite for really small screws. Anything smaller than a 632, you're better off using the green penetrating stuff. Do be aware when you're around bearings, if this thing is anywhere near a bearing, it will lock the bearing. But what I'm doing here is I actually use the tweezers to grab, and instead of trying to squirt Loctite onto this, I actually pour the Loctite into a little cap here, and then I dip the screw. And this actually helps you not get Loctite all over your project and get a much cleaner build. So once I dip the screw and insert it, I go ahead and grab the Allen wrench, and we tighten it on. And now we have properly Loctited that, and
you made a circle.
Partial
circle.
The best part. And now we just hook this to the butt. Oh yeah.
And I'll form the butt.
And I'll form the butt. Quote for the day. All right, we're getting closer.
Is this going into the next Battlebots Destructathon?
Should it? Vote in the comment section.
So are you saying that there's a spring in the step of this Skorpios?
Unfortunately, there is. Oh, Nolan, please don't spill all my trays.
Perfect, no notes.
Are you coming to help me finish the Scorpion? Are you? Bubba's here to help. He's like, don't touch me. I am a cat for looking at, not a cat for touching. Yay, I finished a tray. Ah, that's my thing of garbage.
You're a thing of garbage.
Whoa, whoa, this escalated quickly.
Or did it escalate just the right amount?
No, quickly. All right, so the thin little screws are supposed to go through here.
Is that magnets?
Yes, so there is actually, the tail is not quite attached yet, but there is
That feels like something you're going to want to change.
a light
Whoa.
that makes it all glow.
Whoa.
I can't wait to see this at night. And
Does it ever
blinks
turn off?
with a magnet.
Oh. Did you see that, Nolan? You need the magnet to turn the light on and off. Can you remember that?
All right.
There will be a quiz next week. TM. Hi, Bubba's. I'm sorry, I'll focus.
No, you won't. Don't tell lies to the blog.
He's just right there.
He's right there.
He's looking so majestic.
He's a black cat. He always looks majestic.
That's true. Wait, there's the belly.
Oh god, the tail fell off again.
I'm sorry.
So supposedly, I really don't like these spring steps.
Freya! Hi, Beanie.
I want you to know I feel like the C-clamp was doing a better job
Completely
of
valid.
filming.
Completely valid. All right, so we got the pokety doodad. We got the gravity doodad. The second gravity doodad.
Oh god, how are you supposed to do this with these springs?
Springity doodads.
Springity doodads.
Legs. I am being rubbed. Not by that one. By that one. Hi, Beanie. I'm trying.
I'm trying to. Actually, don't film my shade. Go back to the cats.
Okay. You heard it here first. Hi. Are you a pod person?
He's... It sounds like him as him going, feed me.
How many brain cells do you have today?
Feed me.
Hi. You want more screen time? I don't want to show your butt to the internet.
Feed me!
Hi, Beanie.
Damn it, woman.
Yeah.
You have one job, and it's to open that tuna can.
We're going to film some of Zach's shame.
I think I got this one. Can I get the bolt through? God, it exploded. Why? Why did you just say that?
Why did I manifest that? What happened to your helpers?
The cats.
That too.
They heard you go to the tree cabinet and abandoned me.
Oh. Have you made any progress?
Yes, I got the spring in there.
All right.
Just through lots of...
Swearing?
Yes.
That looks like something that you would put on the tire nuts when you're changing a tire.
It is.
That exact thing?
No, it's a little mini version of it. Now that all the screws are in, we can start tightening them.
So if you had one piece of advice to offer someone else who bought a kit like this, what would that piece of advice be?
Set a lot of time aside.
How long have you been working on it so far?
About 8 hours. 8 hours of screwing and assembly.
That's what she said.
I mean, don't get me wrong, the thing is cool. and I'm going to enjoy having this. But man, this...
Are the instructions easy to follow?
Gotten there. They are in Chinese and in English, so it's not just look at the picture and hope, kind of like a lot of Gundam instructions, or at least old Gundam instructions. I don't know if they're still that way.
But if you have experience building kits,
yeah, shouldn't be too bad.
ooh, nice.
God.
You wonder if scorpions have what actually?
So it's having me build like a little teeny mini tail, a little mini tail that goes on its head. And like, do scorpions, I mean, granted, I don't think they could wipe their eyes with these giant claws. Do scorpions have like little mini tails right above their face?
It might be
Is
little...
Is that a real thing?
Crabs have little things to help push the food into their... Yeah! What do you think, Nolan? Nolan, that is the one cabinet in this kitchen you are not allowed to go in. I'm sorry. Do you have an opinion on the little mini tails, though? What do you think? Yeah. Zach will never let me film again. They might be like things that help push the food into their mouth.
Maybe.
Maybe? Tell us below, blog. What do you think?
You know, weird fun fact, I hate looking at scorpions. Every time I try to look up pictures of real scorpions to see what, like, get ideas of things to add onto Skorpios, they terrify me. They really do terrify me. That's why we don't have a pet scorpion. It's why our mascot is going to be this little mechanical version. And this is also the craziest thing. They didn't want to have screw heads, and so they put a notch in the side of the screw for you to use this weird little spanner tool, which I gotta give them props for having an original way to do a screw attachment. But my God, that is some complicated way to do that. I am officially to a step I've been waiting for quite a while. Ever since I finished the tail and the body, I'm like, why haven't we not put these together yet? And like, here on page 71, I finally get to put the tail on the body. And
so big.
That
Stabbing itself.
That is very big.
Dang.
All right, we just need a few more legs, and
You mean all the legs?
all the legs. Yeah.
Boop the snoot. Boop the snoot.
Boop. Boop.
Much.
Boop. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're done. This took a total of 10 hours of assembly, but everything is Loctited, everything is together. It is glorious.
How do you turn it on now that everything's assembled?
You have a little magnet tool that turns on the internal lights.
Whoa. Whoa.
I'll admit the last few steps were very frustrating with like little tiny springs and stuff for the big joints. And, but man.
That's a piece of beauty right there.
That.
Oh, I called it. Those two plates are the belly.
Yep.
I'm smart sometimes.
But it is a beautiful build. Yeah, this is going to look great in the shop. So.
It's also going to look great with some googly eyes on it.
No, Diana, no.
Yeah,
Anyway.
Of course not. Who would do that?
Please like and subscribe, guys, and we'll see you next week.
Googly eyed. There, and there, into there. I mean, nothing. Nothing at all. Don't mind me.
I'm gonna hide this from you.
Bye.